Guys, hey, what's up? I'm gonna do a bike check for my custom Fiend Embryo. Well, mostly custom. So up here I have the McNeil Def Grips with the Odyssey power ends. I got the premium whiskey bars, the 8.25 rise, 28 width. I have the Shout Conspiracy Ravager top load with the Sunday headset. Fit Shiv V2 forks, the Soul Plus Summit front wheel, and the premium CK 2.4 front tire. The frame is 20.75 in red, obviously. I got the Fiend Team seat post with the Federal fat seat, and down here I have the just stock cranks and a stock sprocket for my premium, and the A-Clat slim pedals. I got the KHE half-link chain, and again in the back, premium CK signature tire 2.0 with the stock back wheel, which is Alienation Black Sheep, the stock hub. So that's my bike. You guys want to comment, like, subscribe, check out my buddy's channel, Scott, and his other channel. I'll put the links in the description. He does a lot of bike checks and unboxings and stuff. Also got a new edit coming out, so you check that out. I'll post that soon. And that's it. So yeah, make sure you subscribe.